And continuing coverage now on the Curtis Reeves murder trial. Undermining the defense, that seemed to be the goal today and the focus of a lot of the testimony. The former Tampa police captain is accused of killing Chad Oulson as the two men argued over texting inside a Wesley Chapel movie theater back in 2014. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser is live at the courthouse in Dade City. And Eric, Reeves' lawyers say this was self-defense, but some of today's testimony seemed to contradict that.
Yeah, and that's very important, Emerald, because remember that Reeves' defense in all of this has been that Chad Oulson didn't just throw popcorn at him, that he struck him in some way, and that was the reason that he opened fire in self-defense. If Tuesday's eyewitness testimony was designed to attack Curtis Reeves' character, Wednesday's testimony was squarely aimed at his credibility.
I didn't see any redness. I didn't see any foreign objects.
Reeves' defense attorneys say he shot Chad Oulson in self-defense after being struck by an object hard enough that it left a red mark on Reeves' left eye, painful enough that a paramedic was asked to check it out. But asked if he saw anything in or around Reeves' eye, that same paramedic testified.
No, I did not see anything that stood out.
One of the detectives who was in the car with Reeves as he gave a statement that day also said it was Reeves himself who kept rubbing that spot next to his eye until there was a mark.
I didn't notice any injuries at first. I didn't see a red spot as he continued to rub his eye.
Reeves' defense lawyers tried to poke holes in the state's premise. They pointed to photos of Reeves taken by forensic supervisor Susan Miller. Miller said she noticed the red mark on Reeves and considered it significant enough to photograph. Prosecutors also called the Pasco medical examiner, who performed the autopsy on Chad Oulson.
Do you have an opinion to a reasonable degree of medical certainty as to the manner of death?
Yes, homicide.
But perhaps most compelling, Alan Proctor, now retired, but on that day, the lead detective who interviewed Curtis Reeves.
I'm thinking, this guy's fixing to do me some bad stuff. If I had it to do over again, it would never have happened. We would have moved. But you don't get do-overs.
No, you don't get do-overs. The medical examiner, by the way, was also asked about that red mark in the photograph above Reeves' eye. He said it was an injury so subtle that, in his words, it would not immediately stand out to him.